the world is still ready for a new GSX-R1000, and here's what it could look like, part 2. My name's Car, I'm a digital motorcycle visualizer, and in this video I'm going to show you what the next Suzuki GSX-R1000 could look like. Hey, what's up everyone? You left me so many comments on the GSX-R1000 video I did previously that it seemed only right that I follow up with a fresh video with some new designs to address those comments. If you haven't seen that video yet, I'll leave a link in the caption below. Just as a quick recap, it's been over 4 years since Suzuki gave us the latest generation GSX-R1000. It's still a great bike, but besides a few minor updates like the exhaust going from silver to black, an adjustable swing arm pivot and braided steel brake line to standard, it's the same bike we got in 2017. That means no TFT dash, no winglets, but you do get to keep a huge dustbin sized exhaust hanging off the side. Let's remember that since 2017 we've had a new BMW S1000RR, a new Yamaha R1, a new Kawasaki ZX-10, a new Fireblade, a new Panigale and a new Aprilia RSV4, all with even more advanced electronic rider aids. The rumour is that Suzuki have a new GSX-R1000 in development and we should see it revealed before the end of 2021. As a GSX-R1000 owner and someone who's been lucky enough to ride every model of the bike since it came out in 2001, I created some Photoshop visuals of what a new GSX-R1000 might look like, and with a little indulgence on my behalf I had a lot of fun putting them together. So I had to do a follow-up video with a refresh on that concept and some extra bonus GSX-Rs that you've never seen before, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video because you don't want to miss out. So pull up a chair, get yourself comfortable, and feast your eyeballs on some GSX-R motor candy. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'd love to hear what you think, so drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this and want to see some more, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.